Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie from Burton Avenue and I want to show you how to make amazing things with your Cricut. Welcome back to another day in my 25 Days of Craftmas series, where I show you how to make 25 different Christmas projects using your Cricut machine. And I also share the SVG files I use to make the project for free, so you can make them at home. This week, we're focused on quick projects that take only about 15 or 20 minutes to make. It's day 9, and today I'm showing you how to make this cute Christmas pillow. It's made with Infusible ink, and I'm so excited to show you how to make it. So let's go take a look at the supply list and get started. For this project, you're going to need a white sublimation pillow cover, which I got from Amazon, a pillow form to put inside your pillow cover, buffalo check infusible ink, an easy press or heat press, and of course your Cricut machine, a cutting mat, and the cut file. So grab your supplies and then head over to your computer. The first thing we need to do is grab the SVG file we'll be using for this project. You can get it for free on my blog at burtonavenue.com. I keep all the SVG files for the projects I make and share in this free SVG library. These files will work with all kinds of cutting machines and they're free to everyone. So once you're on my site, just go over and click on Free SVG Files and then Free SVG Library. You will need a password to get into the library, and there are instructions on the screen if you need to get one. Once you're in the library, you can search for the file Snowflake. It will either be listed under the most recent projects and cut files or under the category Craftmas 2020 Day 9. You can also use your browser search to find it. Once you've found the file, go ahead and click on it, and the file will be downloaded and saved onto your computer. Now, when you download these SVG files online, they usually come in a zipped folder, and you have to unzip them before you can use them in Cricut Design Space. To do this, you're going to go to the location where your downloaded files are saved on your computer. Find that zip folder that we just downloaded and double-click on it. Somewhere on this screen, you should see the option to extract all or unzip. You want to click on that and you'll see another window open up. And this right here will show you the destination where your unzipped files will be saved onto your computer. You need to remember that location because you'll have to get to it once you're in Cricut Design Space. So go ahead and click on Extract, and those files will be unzipped and now ready to use in Cricut Design Space. So let's head over to Design Space and start a new project. Once you're on this canvas screen, go over and click on that Upload button, then click Upload Image, and then click on Browse. Now you're going to want to go to the location where your unzipped files were saved. So find that folder, and inside of the folder you'll see several different file types. You want to use the SVG file, and sometimes the SVG files will actually show up as a Chrome HTML document or something like that. So if you don't see SVG file in this list, be sure to look for that. So go ahead and select the SVG file and then click Open. Make sure it's the file that you want to work with, and then click Save. Select the file one more time and choose Insert Images. And now your design will appear on the canvas screen. So the only thing that we need to do with this design is resize it so it fits nicely on our pillow. And I'm just going to go up and change the height to 11.5 inches, which is the max we can cut on the machine. Okay, now that it's resized, we can go over and click on the green Make It button. Now, if this design had words or something that mattered, if it was reversed or not, we would click on mirror. But since it doesn't matter, we don't need to select that. So go ahead and click on continue. Once Design Space finds your machine, you will be taken to this screen. Make sure that your dial is set to custom, and then for the material, we're going to choose Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet. And I'm also going to increase my pressure by selecting more. Okay, now we have done all we need to do in Design Space, and we can go over and load up our mat. Grab your sheet of infusible ink and place it design side up on your cutting mat. Then load it into your machine by pressing the up and down arrow button. Once your machine is ready to cut, you'll see that C button light up. Press that button and your machine will begin cutting. Once everything is cut, you can press the up and down arrow button again to remove your cutting mat. Now, carefully pull off the sheet of infusible ink from your cutting mat. Then, gently roll the design so the cut lines separate and are more visible. Now use your fingers to carefully remove the excess pieces from around the design. Once your design has been weeded, let's prepare the pillow cover. Lay your pillow cover out flat and then use a lint roller or a roll-up piece of tape to remove any lint from the pillow cover. Cover the pillow with the butcher paper that came with your infusible ink and then preheat the pillow cover. Remove the butcher paper and carefully place the infusible ink sheet printed side down on your pillow. Make sure that it is straight and centered. Cover the design with butcher paper again. Use light pressure to press the design onto your pillow. I have the original Easy Press, so I had to press the design in 4 different sections, and each section had to be pressed for 120 seconds. If you have the Easy Press 2, you might be able to do this design in just 1 or 2 sections. When moving your Easy Press from one section to another, slowly lift the press and try not to move anything but the Easy Press. Once the entire design has been pressed, let it cool down. Then slowly pull off the liner with the design. So now all you have to do is add your pillow form and your project is done. Thanks for joining me on another day of Craftmas. If you like this project and want to see more like it, be sure to like and subscribe so you'll get notified each time I post something new. See ya!